Why aren't more people talking about earning while you shop? Here's how you can turn your everyday expenses into residual income. Imagine making money just by shopping like you always do. Groceries, dining, eating out, medication, utility bills, entertainment, fuel. For a one-time cost of just 350 Rand to get your starter kit, you can start earning by this Friday. Even without personally inviting anyone, you could be earning 1,000 to 5,000 Rands per month within a few months. And it will keep growing for life. This is possible through spillover, the momentum and enthusiasm of members above you who are actively introducing new people by sharing videos like this one. And if you get serious about building your team, you can do the same with done-for-you marketing and training videos and material much like this one. Financial incentives get some people introducing 50 or even 100 plus people. However, if everyone introduced on average only 10 people each, we can prove to you that within just 4 months you will be earning between 50,000 and 100,000 monthly, and never need to put in another day's effort to retain this income for life. Let us show you how, and join the movement. No subscriptions or debit orders, just pure passive income. And if you're feeling ambitious, whether you want to keep it 100% passive or go all in for just a short period of time, the choice is yours. It's a no-brainer. Who else do you know who'd jump at this low-risk, high-reward opportunity? Share the wealth, grow together, and watch your income soar. No selling, no hassle. Intrigued? Contact the person who sent you this video. Come watch a webinar to find out more and start your journey to financial freedom today. What have you got to lose? Start today and turn your everyday spending, and that of everyone who joins after you, into lasting income.